Most React developers never need direct DOM access until they suddenly do. Maybe you need to focus an input, measure an element, or integrate a third-party library. That's when refs become essential. First, you create a ref using the useRef hook. Import it from React, then call useRef with an initial value of null. This returns a ref object that persists across renders. Think of it as a box that holds a mutable value that won't trigger re-renders when it changes. Next, attach the ref to your JSX element using the ref attribute. Pass your ref object to the ref prop, like ref equals my ref. React will automatically populate this ref with the actual DOM node once the element is rendered. You can attach refs to any HTML element, like inputs, divs, or buttons. To access the actual DOM node, use the ref.current property. This is where React stores the reference to the underlying HTML element. Once you have it, you can call native DOM methods like focus, scroll into view, or get bounding client rect. The current property is your gateway to the real DOM. Timing is critical. The ref is null during the initial render and only gets populated after the component mounts. Access ref.current inside useEffect or event handlers, never during render. Trying to use it too early will give you null. So remember, use ref to create it, attach it via the ref prop, access the DOM through .current, and only after mount. Now you've got direct DOM access when React's declarative model isn't enough. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.